Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and I'm going to go over objects and devices that I use practically every day of my life. The first object is a low tech object or device, and it's tongs, and these are typically used to cook food on the grill. Um, However, I use these to reach things in my house. I'm pretty short, I'm only 5 foot, and we have very high cabinets, so I use tongs in my kitchen to help me reach things. So the category that this would fall under would be aids for daily living. Another low tech device that I use is a step stool. Once again, a step stool helps me reach objects that I need to get to safely. And there are different levels, so if something's not super high, I can stand on this one, but if something is super high up, I can stand on this level, and it helps me to get what I need to get. So this is aids for daily living. Another low tech tool that I use are Post-its. This helps me stay organized. It helps me remember different tasks that I need to accomplish. I have a pretty busy life. I have a lot of responsibilities, so when I have a task, I typically write it on a Post-it and then I keep track. And once I finish that task, I can throw out the Post-it. It'd be really difficult for me to remember my different responsibilities if I did not use the Post-its. So I use Post-its for my current job as well as for grad school when I'm completing assignments. Um, and then the Post-its would be communication organization. That would be the category. So a high tech tool that I use pretty much daily for my job is Google Translate, and this is in the area of communication. I am a kindergarten teacher, and more than half of my students are English language learners, and most of their parents do not speak English or read English. So when I am communicating with them, I use Google Translate to send emails. So I've used this pretty much every day when I am communicating with the parents through email. It was pretty interesting looking at some of the objects that we use daily and how they are assistive technology devices and tools. Thank you for watching my presentation.